today, everyone. Before we start, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Jimmy, Taunera Romano, the second, base cream, Block 4. Today, our topic is all about self-justified, or known evidence. Evidence means fundamental subject in criminology students. It's important and providing skills and knowledge to investigate to the judicial notice and the act, and yung malaman mo kung paano nangyari at siguraduhan mo ang pangyayari na kung totoo ba, at i-prove mo yung evidence na. Pero para sa akin, important and providing knowledge and skills are investigate. So the topic of evidence is kung paano natin malaman kung ang victim ba ay nangyari kaagad or nangyari pa. That's all. Thank you.